Back to my YouTube channel. This is Banky Update. My name is Banky. So right now, guys, this is a SunPower platform. If you remember last year on this channel, I share a lot about this platform, and I really make a lot from it. Uh, the platform lasts about 7 to 9 months last year before it's gone. So right now this platform is here again, and right now they are less than 2 weeks now. I think yes, today's date is I think today's date is 8. Okay, today's date is, so they are less than 2 weeks now. So I think this is still the right time. You can join this platform if you want to join them. It's an investment platform where you invest and you earn a particular income. So if you want to know their investment plan, this is what you are going to do. This is what you are going to do. You click purchase all here. If you want to register on this channel, just check below this description of this video. You will see the registration link there. So after you registered and you want to invest on this site, because right now I just want to make this video too very fast. So all you need to do is to click on purchase all. This is their investment plan here, depending on the one you want to go for. The first one is 3,000, 10,000, 20,000, 1,000,000, 80,000, 200,000, 100,000 and 500,000. And if you look at them here, you will see that their profit comes hourly. You can see it. So if you go for this one of 3,000 naira, you can do your calculation, which is every 1 hour you'll be earning 4.2 naira. That 4.2 naira, if you times it by 24, so you will know how much you will be making in a day. I think that should be around 100. So 4.2 times 24, so that is 180 naira. Yes, 100 naira 80 kobo every day if you go for the 3,000 naira own. But if you go for the second one, which is the 10,000 naira own, that is you'll be making 12 naira every hour. 12 naira times 24 hours, that is 288 naira every day. You can do your calculation times 30 days. Are going to make 8,640 in a month. You will look at it that you have not make even your total income. You have not even make your capital. If you look at it, you invest 30,000 and you make 8,640 in a month. You will see that you have not make your capital back. But as from the second month onward, you will be making this amount 8,640 every month for a 1 year. For 1 year, you can see it. So you can do your calculation. 8,640 times 12 months, that is 103,680. So that is it for that one. So this is how you are going to do your calculation to know the actual amount you are going to be making. So for those people that invest in the 1 million naira, you'll be making 2,080 naira, 83 naira per hour. So you can do it times 24. You know how much you will be making in a day. For 80,000 naira, you will be making 120 naira per hour. Let's do the calculation for it. 120 times 24 hours, that is you'll be making 2,880 every day. You can be withdraw every day, can be withdraw. So let's say 2,880 times 12 times 30 days, that is 86,400. In this one, in this case, in this 80,000 naira own case, you can see that you make a profit right from the first month. And if you look at it from first month onward, you will make 1,336,800 Okay, for instance, let's say this platform as it's just launched now, let's say is now just last for 5 months. So you will see your 80,000 naira will make you this in 5 months, 432,000 naira. So that is how the platform work. If you are interested to join them, you check the description of this video, you will see the registration link there. So after you join it, let me show you my withdrawal because I've only withdrawn twice on it, yesterday and today. Click here, click on record. Here you can see it, 8,000 and 6,000 to uh 270. So that is what I've withdrawn so far on it. So after you are interested on it and you want to recharge, you click on recharge here. So when you click on recharge, click on the amount you want to recharge. Let's say I want to recharge 80,000 here. You click on it. So you click on recharge. So after you click on the recharge, you can recharge through USDT if you like, which is this one here. You can recharge through USDT. So after that, it will direct you to the bank payment you have to pay the money to. Don't save the beneficiary name because it change every times. It change every time because I can remember the account I paid to when I join it is different from this one it's showing me, and the bank is different. So this is the amount you have to pay up here. This is the bank account. This is the bank account and the bank name, and this is the bank name, and this is the beneficiary name. So when you are making your payment, don't forget this. On the description of your payment, the description, copy this and paste it there. Copy this and paste it there. Make sure you copy this and paste it here. Paste it there. Please don't just be coming to my DM that you pay that you did not see your the money did not appear in your wallet. Make sure when you are making the payment, on the description of your payment, paste, copy this thing here and paste it there. Then after you make the payment, then click on I have made this bank transfer. Then just wait for it, leave it like that, like some minutes. It will now write successful. Then you can now go back to your account and you will meet the money there on your balance. On your balance, the money will appear here on your asset balance. So from there you can now click on purchase all, then click on buy on the item, on the this thing you want to buy. Click on buy and buy your product. So after you click on buy, anytime you want to receive your income every hour, if you want to receive it every hour, you can leave it in a day without receiving it. You can just, if you like, you can come every hour. Just click on my device here, then click on it. After you click on it, then you will just click on complete to receive your payment. That is it. It will now add up to your assets here. If you want to withdraw, you can withdraw. Click on withdraw here to bind your bank account. Click on withdraw, then click on bind account. You will see it here. Click on edit. Your all will be modified. So click on it and input your account number there. Then start making your withdrawal. Minimum withdrawal is 1,000 naira. So that is all, guys. Thank you for watching. See you soon on my next video. If you are interested on this platform, check the description of this video and register. Thank you for now. Goodbye.